how do you handle your poop when you are in an area where you cannot dig a cat hole? WAG bags. You are going to put your poop in this bag and then carry it out. I'm going to show you how to use it. I'm not actually going to poop, so that you can feel a little bit more comfortable about having to use a WAG bag. You are going to go 200 feet from a trail or a water source. Open it up. It comes with hand sanitizer wipey and toilet tissue, which you will also put in the WAG bag and carry out. And then you have this bag here that has a zipper lock. That's what you're gonna put this into, and this is what you're gonna put your poop into. When you find your poop spot, there is some powder. This is deodorizing powder. That's like a cat litter bag. Lay this out, and for demonstration purposes, sit down. You are going to poop in this bag just like this. And for those of us who squat to pee, try to avoid getting liquid. You don't want to get pee in this bag. Try to push this bag back a little bit so that you can pee and the pee doesn't go into the bag. Do your best. Grab your little handy toilet tissue and moist towelette. Handle your business. All of your waste into this bag. Then you are going to fold it in a way that works for you. And then you're going to stick it in your little disposable bag here. And your extra waste, zip it up, carry this out with you. That is how you use a WAG bag. Thanks for watching.